Okay, so this is how I do it. I have the report up at the top, and I have it fit the full screen, but it's only taking half of the top screen. Then I have my report up at the bottom, where it's again the full screen, but only showing the bottom half of the screen here. Alright? Then I take it from one dealership group at a time. Alright, so I'm going to do Athens, take it down here, and I add and insert a line at the end of Athens so it's easier to see the difference. Okay, then I come and I do my best to be able to get the full city amount in if possible so I can actually see all of them here. Okay, now we're reviewing to make sure that everything is correct, but that doesn't mean that every single thing different is an issue, and that also doesn't mean that we have to review every single field. Alright, so there's a couple things that we're going to review. First of all, just to get a grasp of it, we're going to make sure that we have the same amount of fields. There's 12 fields and there's 12 fields. Okay, that just lets me know that I'm not missing, or ideally I'm not missing, a serial number. The other way that I know that I'm not missing a serial number is I can see that these colors are light green, orange, dark green. Light green, orange, dark green. So they all are there with it. That should be enough to know that all the serial numbers are there. So the location is fine. We don't care if it says AL or not. It's Athens and Athens, same locations. And that's the big important thing, okay? I don't need to check this. I don't need to check any of these fields here at all unless there's a serial number missing, and in that case I need to confirm this one and find out which serial number is missing. Okay, so we're skipping on all these. Don't even worry about the dates here because I have it slightly looking a little bit different. That's fine. These are important. Repo, and this one should be saying inventory, but it's not. Okay, so this one would be the very first issue, that there's a issue here, and what we're going to do is I shared a screen, or I shared a field. Let me see, and we're going to go forward and we're going to say serial number 69845 missing inventory. Now, of course, you can see that we're missing inventory on all of these that are blank. You're going to see that up here. I'm already aware of that issue, so we can ignore that. That's already been resolved and fixed. Okay, oh, by the way, missing on System Avo. Yes, there we go. So you're going to say whether it's System Avo or CTH that's missing on, so we know where to look for it. But in this case, that's this. So I already know that we're missing inventory here. We've already fixed that. That's already corrected, so you don't have to worry about that. Really, I don't even care about this not even showing up here. It'd be a bigger deal if it said, if it didn't say repo on one of these. But anything that has a color, we're just going to go ahead and check, okay? The dates are fine. However, you can run through a real quick look at these, you know, again, not checking them individually, just checking a couple of them randomly. Sold is very important, but you're going to know that it's sold, or you're going to know that these are correct right away, because white is always not sold, light green is sold, orange is not sold, and dark green is sold. So I don't even need to check each field here because I already see the colors are right. Okay, and then the next thing to look at is these customer names. I'm just going to run through quickly and take a look at it. I don't care if this one says 10% and this one doesn't. That's just not relevant. I do care that, oh no, I don't even care. Okay, I don't even care that this one says 10% and it's not here either, because I already am aware of that and I already fixed that. John, Malcolm, Thomas. So I'm looking for big name changes really in the difference here. Patricia, Stephen, Clam. Okay, so this one is fine. All right. So then I'm going to delete these.